Welcome back to another tutorial. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. For this tutorial, I am going to be sharing with you how to crochet a hat crochet or a crochet hat. I'm going to use a acrylic yarn. This is a 4-weight acrylic yarn, scissors, 4mm crochet hook, and you would need a darning needle afterwards. And to start this crochet hat, I'm going to make it in a different shape, different from what I've done before. I've done a crochet art video tutorial before, but what I'm doing today is a little bit different. I'm going to be sharing with you another different technique, another way to do a crochet hat, and this one is going to be a little bit more bigger, and you can use it as a charm around your bag, and I'm going to show you that at the end of the video. So this, I'm not going to do a magic circle, so I'm going to start with a slip knot. The slip knot, I'm going to do a chain of 4. I will chain 4. Now into the first chain, the first chain, I will go into the first chain and do a slip stitch. And then we have this little ring, the circle, and I made it really very small. And there we're going to walk into this, because we're going to walk into this circle. I'm going to chain 3 for the second round. Now I'm going to do into that, the chain 3 counts as my first double crochet. Into this ring, I'm going to walk 2 double crochet, 2 double crochets. Now we have 3 double crochets here. I'm going to do a chain of 2, another 3 double crochet into that same ring. And this is what I'm just going to keep doing. 3 double crochet, chain 2, and we're going to do that 4 times. That means we're going to have 4 clusters of 3 double crochet. So this is it. I'm doing the third cluster, chain 2. Now the last 3 double crochet. Chain 2, and now I will slip stitch right here on the top of my chain 3. Like this, in the shape. So now for the third round, I'm going to chain 3. Then I will come into the space and do a 2 double crochet. And we have 3 double crochet here. I'm going to chain 2 and back into the same stitch. I'm going to do another 3 double crochets. Now we're having our corner, so I'm doing our first corner here. So we're going to have 4 corners. Now I'm going to do a chain 1. Now into this chain 2 space from the previous row, 3 double crochet, chain 2, 3 double crochet. So we're just having 4 corners. I have 3 double crochet. Now chain 2, back into the same space, another 3 double crochet. We're going to chain 1 now, go next into the next space and do another corner, 3 double crochet, chain 2, I need to repeat that. And 3 double crochet after the chain 2. I'm going to meet you at the end of this round. So guys, now I've done my last corner. I'm going to do a chain 1. Now go into this to slip stitch the first 3 double crochet and 3 chain 3 that I. So now I've slip stitched there. What I'm going to do now is something really different. Now I'm going to go back into this and do a single crochet, 1 single crochet there into the next stitch. Now we'll go into every stitch and do single crochet into this. We have 3 stitch there. We're going to do 3 single crochet. As you can see, I did 3 single crochet here. Now into this, we're going to do into the space, we're going to do 1 single crochet, 1 picot, and 1 single crochet. And picot is just to give it a more the shape of the love shape, to make it to define that love shape at the bottom, to give it that sharp shape. So 1 single crochet into the space, into the next space you do 1 single crochet, and you're going to chain 2. And this is how to do a picot. Now to do your picot, it's 2 chain 2. Now you go back into the chain 1 and you do a slip knot, and that is how to do a picot. Now you go back into that same space and do a single crochet, and there you have it. And this is how to do a picot. And if you can see, as you can see, you have a more the sharp V shape. It gives you this V shape here, a proper V shape. Now we're going to go into the next stitch. Into under every stitch we'll do into the next 3 stitch. We'll do 3 single crochet. The second, and this is the 3rd single crochet. And now into the space, you're going to do 2 single crochet. So guys, we've done this 2 single crochet here, the chain 2 space. Now what is next is, just in case to make things clear, I'm going to explain now. We have 3, 1, 2, 3. We're going to do 3 clusters of 3 single crochets. So we've done the 3 single crochet here, we've done a picot here, chain 2 space, we put 2 single crochet, 1, 3 single, 3 single in the middle, that's the chain 2 space, we do 2 single. Now I'm done with my 2 single here. So now we're not going to do single crochets anymore, we are going to do a triple crochet. So to do a triple crochet, you yarn over twice, and I will go now into this space and I'm going to do 12 triple or treble crochet. It has to be a treble crochet. So we've done the first one, and this is the second. And this is the third. And this is the fourth. So we're just going to do 12 treble, fifth. Just need to push this so you can walk into that space easily. And we have the sixth one there, so we just keep repeating this. We have 12 triple crochet into that chain 2 space. So now I have 12 treble crochets here. I'm done with that. Now you can see it's taking up shape of the heart shape, as you can see. Now after 12 treble crochet, you come into the stitch, into the chain 2, you come there and do a slip. And now after I slip stitch here, if you want to do something simple just to make it like a charm around your bag, we're going to do a chain So I'm going to do a chain of 30 to 40, depending on how long you want this to look. I want it to be really like simple. I don't want it to be too long, because I'm just going to wrap this around my bag as a charm. And there we have it. We have chain 35 there. We'll come into the stitch and do a slip stitch. Sorry, I'll do a slip stitch. So that's simple. That's just right after the 12 treble crochet, you do a chain of 35 and slip stitch into the chain 2 space. That's it. And now we'll continue on this other side. 12 triple crochet. We're going to yarn over twice and repeat another 12 treble crochet here. You're at the end of the treble crochet. So after this is after the 12 treble crochet. As you can see, we are almost done. So now we're not going to slip stitch. What we're going to do is, into the stitch we're going to continue our single crochet. We're going to have 2 single crochet there. Then into the next 3 stitches we're going to do 3 single crochet to end this. As you can see, this is where we started from, our 4th single crochet. This is where we started from. Now we are just going to go into the 4th single crochet there and do a slip stitch, chain 1. If you enjoyed this tutorial, I hope it was really simple and you enjoyed it. Please give my video a thumbs up, and I will see you in the next one. Thank you.